Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we'll discuss the topic Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. So let's get started. First question. What was Bipin Chaudhary's hobby? Everyone has different hobby. You have different, I have something else. So what was Bipin Chaudhary's hobby? His hobby was reading books. And what he used to do every Monday? So every Monday he would purchase books from Kalicharan's shop. Kalicharan was a bookseller. Second question. Who was observing Bipin Chaudhary at bookshop? When Bipin Chaudhary was finding a good book for him, he realized someone is noticing him, and he was Parimal Ghosh. Who was Parimal Ghosh? Parimal Ghosh was the one who met Bipin in 1958 in Ranchi. Third question. What happened with Bipin Chaudhary at Ranchi? When Bipin Chaudhary had gone to Ranchi, he had a fall in Hydro and cut his right knee, as you can see in the picture also. The next question. Who sent the letter to Bipin and what was written there? The letter was sent by Chunni Lal. And what Chunni Lal had mentioned? That he had no money as his resources were limited. So he was expecting Bipin Babu to get him a job. The next, what type of man was Bipin Babu? He was a loner. It means he was not very friendly. He was not an amiable fellow. He was not a good mingler, the one who gets mixed up easily. He had a few friends and he did not like spending time in idle chat. Like he never gossiped. So the next and the last question is active and passive voice. So the questions are written in passive voice and we will change the same into active voice. The first question. The tickets are usually bought by him. If I see are bought, few things you need to remember that in passive voice we always use third form of the verb. But if I talk about active voice, we can use first form, second form, third form. Yes, ing form of the verb. So whenever I find is MR plus third form of the verb, so I will use first form of the verb in the active voice. Alright, I am repeating in passive voice. If I find is MR plus third form of the verb, we'll change the same into first form of the verb in active voice. The tickets are usually bought by him. So he usually buys the tickets. The second question. Similarly, when we have was, verb plus third form of the verb, will be changed into second form of the verb into active voice. The flights were booked by us. So, we booked the flights. Third, the bottle was opened by him easily. Again, was verb plus third form of the verb. So, we'll change the same into second form. He opened the bottle easily. My shoes are cleaned by her. Again, is MR plus third form of the verb. So, third form of the verb will change into first form of the verb. It would be, she cleans my shoes. The last. His coin collection was sold by him. Again, was verb plus third form of the verb. So, we'll change into second form of the verb. It would be, he sold his coin collection. Thank you so much. Have a great day.